Ciao Tesla people. I got another new accessory which is really particular, very easy to install, super cheap, and I didn't see any people to install it, and my guess is that every car has it, but Tesla doesn't have it. I'm not sure why. So here there is the washer fluid washer fluid. You put it in here, but if you open it, there is no filter. So if anything goes inside, you get things inside the washer fluid tank. So my previous car, or any car that I remember, there is a filter in here, and so I got a filter. This is for Model 3 or Model Y, and it cost $3 or $4 if I remember correctly, so not a big deal, but you know, if something goes in there and it clogs the washer fluid, it's not that great situation to be in. So that's it. It's just a small filter, and the installation is super easy. You just put it in. That's it. I don't understand why Tesla does not have a filter for the washer fluid. I mean, it just is a no-brainer. I don't know. Well, then you close it and you're all set. Not a necessary accessory, but I think it's good to have. I experienced once on my previous car many years ago, clog inside the washer fluid tank, and that one had a filter, but it was very it wasn't that great, but it had it one, so to clean it, it was a freaking pain. So just wanted to have a peace of mind with these issues, and probably I bought it because that experience. Anyway, I'll leave the link in the description, and if you're interested, you can check it out. It's not expensive. That's it. Please leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to post as many videos as I can in all the accessories that I'm installing on my car, Model Y. And in the description I have even the referral code for the Tesla, so you get points for supercharging and things. So if you buy a Tesla or a product from Tesla, you get points, I get points, and we get free supercharger. And then I have the links for all the other products. Okay, so I'll see you next video. Ciao Tesla people.